Oh, we got a fan over there. What's your name? Juan? Yo, what's up, y'all? Today, we're gonna be working on my boys S14. You guys can't see right there. It's 1995 Nissan 240SX. And he's on his way now. We're gonna be putting on Cadillac CTS-V front calipers. And you need certain brackets and all that other stuff, but we're just gonna show you guys, how we do it. We've tried this a couple days ago, but it wasn't successful, so I figured it's worth making a video out of. Cool content and whatnot, and be interesting. His car is pretty cool. Look at it. I mean, despite the clear coat, I still like it. I think it's a pretty solid chassis. You know what I mean? But it's what's under the hood that'll surprise all of y'all. I've shown this car before on my Instagram, but for those of you who haven't seen, I'll just add some of those clips. Just random clips of this dude's car, like right about now. That shit stinks. No cat life. So, man, tell us about your car for the YouTube, man.
It's a 95 Nissan 240SX.
Speak up, man.
It's a 95 Nissan 240SX. It has a Camry swap.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
You want to see it?
Yeah, show us.
All right.
What year Camry?
2002.
2002. That's a real peculiar. Oh, man. What is this, 1.5 Camrys?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You did this swap yourself?
Nah, I paid somebody.
Well, what shop can we tell them did a horrible job? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Let's get the rice or flyby. Don't ruin that eBay clutch. All right, here are the calipers that are going on this thing over here. I don't know too much. I mean, this is my boy's project. What's good?
What up?
You need some type of brackets, and then you had to like rethread. What did you have to rethread?
Rethread the bottom, I guess the bottom threads on the knuckle assembly.
Okay, and then was there's of course some type of adapter bracket?
Yep, it's adapter brackets for CTS-V calipers on the S14.
And what brand is that? Like, where could somebody get that?
CTS-V brakeswap.com.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and then those are 350Z rotors. I guess to make things fit better, but you're just putting that bracket on the knuckle right now, and then we'll line the brakes up. Oh, we had to cut the first day short because we couldn't find brake lines that fit properly. So he had to go get, these are Stop Tech, right?
Stop Tech, yeah.
Stop Tech,
brake lines.
Banjo Bolt, yeah, brake lines. Because if you try to use the stock S14 brake lines, they won't reach. We also had to play around with the bleeder line and this other brake line on each end and kind of orient it so that this is the passenger side. You want the brake line facing up and the bleeders facing up. If anyone tells you the bleeders should be facing any other way, they're wrong. All right. What have you done?
Put the caliper on, put the new lines on. So now I'm about to tackle the other side, and hopefully this gets done today.
Yes, hopefully it gets done today. All right, so here, this is the hole that you had to thread right here.
This bottom one. There's two of them, just the bottom one.
Just the bottom?
Yeah.
And is it a bigger thread, or did you have to drill it out, or just?
Nope. They supply you with an M14 by 2 tap. You just put it in here, make sure it's straight, and you just get to start tapping the threads.
All right.
It's that simple.
All right. Other side is on. Now time for the dreaded part, which is bleeding the brakes in a tight space. I mean, whoever wants to do that. But start with, if no one here never bled brakes before, start from the wheels farthest from the brake master cylinder. Brake master cylinder is right underneath the driver's side. So you go with that wheel, and the opposite wheel, and this wheel, and this wheel. Yep.
Yeah, it's all grayed out.
Everyone's famous attraction, favorite part. 2JZ GTE swap. And empty brake fluid. Pretty easy, nice, clean swap. We had a fabricator do all the intercooler piping. So it's pretty clean, you know. Yo, y'all aren't gonna believe this. We in the garage, and then these two dogs, come here. A German Shepherd, and I don't know what that is, but they're lost and they all up in the garage. So hopefully, if anyone sees this by that time, I mean, you know whose this is. But hey, get out! Come on, let's go. Thought they were gonna eat me. So animal control is here. Hopefully the owners will see that car before they go to foster care or something. But yeah, hopefully we have a good night. A good turnout for these dogs. He's all crying. Aww. All right, all brakes are bled. The animals have been rescued from animal control. This dude don't know how to bleed brakes. Made it longer than usual.
Third time.
But yeah. Just putting wheels back on and get her on the road. Sheesh. Oh. Listen to her purr. I said, listen to her purr, and you're gonna choke us up in here with that. It don't smell that bad. Did you push the brakes? How did it feel?
It feels pretty good. It's a little like squishy at the beginning.
All right, go ahead. Not all the way, but all right, go ahead, and then straight, right. To the right a little bit more. All right. And just to the right a little bit. Peace, man.